The important thing is, whenever we talk about Rath Yatra by the BJP, you will remember the Rath Yatra of Advani, and with the help of Prime Minister Modi at that particular time in 90s, which have spread bloodshed, destruction in whole of India. Mamata Banerjee is a very clever and honest politician. She don't want that to happen in the West Bengal. She don't want a Rakt Yatra, blood Yatra, which is led by BJP earlier at many places. The same thing is going to repeat here also in West Bengal, and she don't want that to happen. I am extremely sorry to say our High Court have literally missed that particular point, that the history have taught us these yatras brought nothing good for the nation, nothing good for Hindustan and Hindustanis. Rather, it has brought blood, destruction, disunity.
No, but Mr. Shafiquddin, the court was very clear.
Hindu politics is visiting temples, trying to impress the Hindu community. Hindutva politics is talking about Shamshan Khabristan, Ramzade, Haramzade, lynching of innocents by the Gaurakshak terrorists, and so on. There is a difference of chalk and cheese between these two. I want to say that Mamata Banerjee wants Mr. Modi and his party to taste their own medicine now, as they forgot the politics of development, unity, politics of peace and harmony, and start brandishing themselves as the true Hindu leader by demolishing the masjids, by making a temple over there, or by starting the riots, etc. Now Mamata Banerjee wants the BJP to taste their own medicine. That BJP should get the taste of their own medicine in the whole of North India. Because the politics of development is no more working in the nation nowadays. Politics of hate is working nowadays, and that's what Mamata is trying to encroach upon now, I strongly believe. And I want to say the second point is, Mamata Banerjee is a very cunning politician.
She's a cunning politician.
She knows where to hit, at what time, to whom. And this what she is trying to do now, and this is going to cost BJP like anything.
Really?
She is going to let BJP pay a very heavy price for their own dirty politics.
Rebuttal on Debashish.
And she will make sure that
Rebuttal from
BJP
Debashish.
get defeated in the whole of North India in coming days.